In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use image function in Google Sheets. If you've ever wanted to display a picture directly inside a cell, this function makes it simple and reliable. Start by clicking the cell where you want the image to appear. The image is tied to that cell, so pick the spot that makes sense for your layout, like a product column or a dashboard area. Now type the formula exactly like this: image, image, URL. Replace image URL with the direct link to your picture wrapped in quotation marks. It should be a URL that anyone with access to the sheet can open, ideally a direct link to a .png, .jpg, or .gif. Press enter and your image will load right inside the cell. By default, Google Sheets fits the image to the cell. If you need more control, add an optional mode after the URL. Mode 1 fits the image to the cell, which is the default behavior. Mode 2 stretches the image to fill the cell dimensions, which can distort it if the cell's shape doesn't match the image's aspect ratio. Mode 3 keeps the image at its original size. If the image is larger than the cell, only part of it will show until you resize the row or column. Mode 4 lets you set a custom height and width in pixels in that order. For example, ximage, https://example.com, photo, JPG, 450, 150, places a 150 by 150 image in the cell. Remember, it's height first, then width. A few practical tips will help you avoid hiccups. If the image doesn't appear, test the link in a browser to confirm it loads and is publicly accessible. If the image looks cropped in modes 1 or 3, increase the row height or column width to give it more space. When using mode 2, consider the cell proportions to prevent stretched or squashed visuals. If you're copying and pasting the formula, make sure the quotation marks are straight, not curly, to prevent errors. And when sharing the sheet, ensure viewers have permission to load images from the source domain. That's everything you need to place clean, scalable images inside your spreadsheet cells using the image function. With the right mode and size, you can build polished dashboards, product catalogs, and visual trackers without leaving Google Sheets. Try it on a blank sheet, experiment with each mode, and choose the one that fits your design.